again, the lab that we'll be doing today will be the car and ball race. Okay, we're trying to determine acceleration. We're trying to see if acceleration is constant, okay, increasing or decreasing. Okay, so what we're basically going to do is we'll be assembling an apparatus. Okay, there'll be a ramp that'll be approximately 200 centimeters long in length. Okay? What you're going to do is measure 13 inches. You'll have two lanes set up. Okay? One of the lanes will be 13 inches ahead of the other lane, okay, of the other ramp. Okay, you'll place them a little mark there, and you'll set up the second ramp 13 inches ahead of the first ramp. Okay? So the releaser, we'll get to you in a second. You're going to start each car at the beginning of the ramp. Okay? One car 13 inches ahead, the other 13 inches back. You're going to release them simultaneously. Okay? Then the timer's job, okay, so the timer's job is to record the proper time of flight. What is the time of flight? The amount of time that it takes for the car to travel from the top of the ramp until it hits the bottom of the floor. Okay? Then we'll take another set of times where the timer takes the splits. Okay? The timer will figure out the time the car takes to travel in 40 centimeter intervals. Okay? Yeah, don't look at them like that. Then the observer, again, their job is to observe which car hits the ground first. Okay? Which car hits the ground first, and whether the first car catches up with the second car. Okay? So once again, let's go over your roles. I call the observer, I call you Goggles. Goggles, why? Because you're the eyes of the operation. Okay? Goggles, you got thick glasses on, right? So Goggles, your role is to watch and determine which car reaches the ground first. Okay? You're not worried about the time. You're not worried about anything else. You're looking specifically at which car hits the ground first, and also if your car 1 catches up to car 2. Okay? Father Time. Everybody know what Father Time stands for? What's Father Time? What's Father Time? I'm about to be Father Time. Christmas. Santa Claus. Father Time. Okay? So Father Time. So your job is very critical, Father Time, aka timekeeper. Okay? TK, timekeeper. So you have to find the time it takes for the car to travel the entire distance, and you have to also find the splits of the car's interval. Okay? As it travels 40 centimeters, 80, 120, 160, 200. Okay? Conductor, aka releaser. Okay? You're the conductor. So you're conducting the job. You have to be accurate. You have to be paying attention to the timekeeper. Okay? And your job is to accurately release both vehicles simultaneously at the exact same time. Okay? And as soon as the timekeeper, you'll start, go, whatever it is. Okay? Including your job description, you gotta, keep my Ferraris polished, keep the paint nice, keep the windows clean, keep the interior smell good. Okay? Wheels chrome on point, right? Engineer. You guys are the brains of the operation, engineers. Okay? How you guys get so damn? Engineers, you guys making big bucks. Okay? You have the specific task of calculating the required measurements, okay, which include the increments and the length for the racetrack. So you have to set up the racetrack. You have to engineer, you have to build this racetrack. Now you come up with the calculations. Now you can definitely incorporate other group members in helping you set it up. But you're the brains of the operation coming up with the calculations. So for example, one conversion factor you might need is 1 inch to 2.54 centimeters. Here you have to figure out, you have to measure using the race car tracks. You have to measure out 200 centimeters. Okay? But this measuring tape measures in inches. So you're going to have to figure out how many inches you need that will give you 200 centimeters of racetrack. Okay. Likewise, you have to figure out how far 13 inches away is the head start. And also you have to figure out the 40 centimeter intervals. Okay? And questions? Any questions at all?
We're ready.
You ready? You ready to go? All right. All right, let's go. So, what I would suggest is you guys get together, take about 2 minutes to decide your roles, who's doing what, and then start creating your rank. So you can go.
General Motors in my thighs, muscles, spaghetti cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic, fellas, not a Chevelle, commercial cutters. Force, all smoke, chef motors, General Motors in my thighs, muscles, spaghetti cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic, fellas, not a Chevelle's, commercial cutters.
Ooh, not out of the local newspaper, but out of the auto trader, cleaning the virgin coochie, my nigga, one on the cutlass player. The beat, black monster cables, the speakers thumping, trunk sounding like King Kong and Godzilla back there thumping. All we do is drink and get high and pedal and push. Organic sweet, not mystery weed, just purple kush. I cut the wheel well on my whip and filled that bitch up. Now my muscle car sitting high like a monster truck. Monster up, suck up to none, don't be no poodle. Split his pack open like a pack of top Roman noodle. In the heart of the soil where you can find me. Try me, fuck boy, and get your face put on the white tee. 40 turf talk and keep the sneak. With the maniacs voices and them styles is hecka unique. High speed chases and running lights. Water in the duels make loud glass pipes.
Force, all smoke, chef, General Motors in my thighs, muscles, spaghetti cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic, fellas, not a Chevelle, commercial cutters. Force, all smoke, chef, General Motors in my thighs, muscles, spaghetti cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic, fellas, not a Chevelle's, commercial cutters.